In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate hours worked and time difference in Excel. Let's keep this simple and practical. If you need to figure out the number of hours between a start time and an end time, Excel makes it very easy once you know the basic formula. To begin, open your Excel file. Make sure your worksheet already has or is ready for a start time and an end time. For example, you might have a shift that starts at 8 o'clock a.m. and ends at 5 o'clock p.m. Excel can calculate the difference between those two times automatically. Next, set your start time and end time in the worksheet. Once those are in place, click on an empty cell where you want the total hours worked or the time difference to appear. This is where you'll enter the formula. In that empty cell, type an equal sign, then click the cell that contains the end time, type a minus sign, and then click the cell that contains the start time. In other words, you are telling Excel to subtract the starting time from the ending time. After entering the formula, press enter. If your start time is 8 o'clock a.m. and your end time is 5 o'clock p.m., Excel will return 9 Honig. In simple terms, that means 9 hours. So the calculation is working exactly as intended. A helpful thing to remember is that Excel stores time as part of a day, so the result may appear in a time format rather than as a plain number. That's normal. If you see 9ing, that represents a 9-hour difference. As long as your start and end entries are recognized by Excel as valid times, the subtraction should work smoothly. Also, be careful when selecting the cells in your formula. If you accidentally subtract the end time from the start time, your result may not display the way you expect. So always make sure the ending time comes first and the starting time comes second in the formula. This quick method is useful for work schedules, timesheets, attendance tracking, or any time you need to measure time between 2 points during the day. It's one of those simple Excel skills that can save a lot of time once you start using it regularly. And that's it. Once you know the formula, calculating hours worked and time differences in Excel is fast, easy, and reliable. And